We'd like to show you one of the applications we've built for the Diver platform called SupplierAdvisor. The SupplierAdvisor is a tool for suppliers, wineries, distilleries, or marketing agents to see all their information to run their business when, where, and how it's needed. SupplierAdvisor works on the iPad, Windows-based tablets, and PCs. SupplierAdvisor offers several standard reports. From the Reports button here, we now see a table of contents showing all the standard reports. We also click here to see an overview of all our data, and from here we see a report showing all the account data, accounts sold, retail account depletions, and depletions per account. We show the current month, year to date, and the rolling 12. Returning to the table of contents, let's create our own report. Let's select RAD Ad Hoc Division. We can click on the yellow arrow here and expand the number of data columns or dimensions that we can access for each of the two divisions. We now have brand category, brand, state, license type, item, label, supplier, distributor class, chain name, and retailer. We see that the liquor division shows 68,000 retailers that our distributors are selling to. We can click on the number and open a report, and very quickly it shows the data for the 68,000 retailers. Clicking on the quantity year-to-date column and selecting Sort Down, we now see the largest retailers. We can then collapse the additional data columns here and see the retailer report. From here, we can create our own report as well. We can click on the Edit button here and create our own report. The Edit Dimensions window opens, allowing us to select the dimensions we want to see in our report. We can simply drag and drop the data elements we want. Let's remove division and replace it with brand in the Selected Dimensions area. From the Dive Dimensions area, let's remove brand category and distributor class. Let's add distributor. We click on OK, and now we see our ad hoc report. We can expand the dive dimensions from here and now see all of the dimensions. We can click on the retailer and sort down, and we see that Livingston Cellars has sold to the largest number of retailers. We can add state to the left of this column by clicking on distributor state and selecting Add Multi-Column. We now have a brand by state report with just a couple of clicks. We can save this report by clicking here and selecting Bookmark Page. We can name the report and then click OK. Back on the menu page under the Bookmarked Pages button, our report is there. And whenever the data is updated, our report will automatically reflect the new data. With SupplierAdvisor, we can easily dive into our sales and see data behind it and quickly create our own reports. SupplierAdvisor gives us the visibility to see what we need to see, when we need to see it, and how we need to see it to help us better manage our business.